What if a school science project could bring hope to the homeless? The project I'm about to describe, and the one I need your help with, provides a learning experience where students address a real problem faced by real people in their own community. This is a project that brings light and hope to all involved. Right now, more Americans are experiencing homelessness than at any point in our nation's history. At night, some sleep in tents, others under bridges, and if they have one, in their car, many without a reliable source of light. Alana Kinsella works every day with people experiencing homelessness in Asheville, North Carolina. She says a lantern is about something much bigger than light.
So when I think about something like a light, why it's really important is it's really about safety, it's really about security, and then it's also about autonomy. So giving a person the ability to choose when there is light and when there is not light, I mean that's what we do in our houses, right?
Light to Give is a program that combines STEM education and service learning. Students learn about the science of solar energy while assembling a solar lantern kit. Then the students donate their solar lanterns to a local nonprofit that serves the homeless.
This what you're doing is different than anything else that I've known about, right? So it's a one of a kind type of opportunity for the kids. The kids get to apply what they've learned in science to create something and build something that is going directly into the community to help someone. And finding a program like that is rare. I think that contributions for school supplies and stuff are so valuable, but this is you know contributing to a whole experience for the kids to take what they learn in science class to do a hands-on project and to make a difference in their community.
um, and they showed empathy. And I think the empathy piece was built on reading an article, doing research on our local homeless population, and then reflecting on how difficult it would be to live without a house, without electricity, living possibly in your car. So those pieces of it made the project invaluable, because we know that we need to grow empathy in our students.
Each student also writes a heartfelt note to the person who will receive their lantern. Alana shares what happened when the recipient of a solar lantern read one of those notes.
Yeah, it's actually really sweet because just as much as I usually live in this world of just providers, those humans that have received these have also they're not used to people seeing them. So there was a moment of wow, this was really made here, and you're giving it to me, and there's a sweet note that says keep moving forward. Wow. This is just temporary, right? And I think in a world that can feel so lonely, that makes such a difference.
My mother passed away in 2019. She struggled with mental health challenges for much of her life, and she lived in a car more than once. She told me how she felt invisible to most of society. Had a project like this one existed, where a young person gifted her a light and a note of encouragement, I know it would have provided her with hope during those dark periods. This is phase 2 of a program I've already tested with teachers in 5 states. The results were so positive that I had to expand its reach. With your help, I'm going to purchase 2,000 solar lantern kits and ship them to 80 teachers and communities across the U.S.
I just really appreciate this program. I appreciated it since you told me about it, since we've met. We've tested a couple of different lanterns, and what you don't realize is the hope that you're spreading and the love that your community is feeling from your ripple effect from this.
The goal for this project is to raise $20,000 to purchase 2,000 solar lantern kits. I'll ship the kits in packages of 25 to 80 teachers in 80 communities across the U.S. during the fall of 2026. Teachers will agree to complete this project sometime during the 2026-27 school year. Thank you for any help you can offer. Every donation made will make a difference in the life of a student and someone who is experiencing homelessness who could use a bit of hope and light.